Ever wondered why stars don't like flying solo through space? Turns out they're total party animals. Most stars hang out in pairs or groups, throwing cosmic raves that last millions of years. Let's crash their party and see what's up. Here's the wild thing about stars. They're basically the ultimate social networkers of the universe. About 80% of all stars we've spotted are paired up or hanging in groups. Think of it like a massive cosmic high school cafeteria. You've got your binary pairs, the BFFs of space, spinning around each other in an eternal cosmic dance. Then there's the popular crowd, star clusters with hundreds or thousands of members, all stuck together by gravity's unbreakable friendship bonds. Even our sun is kind of the weird loner who left their friend group. Most stars like ours are usually found with at least one buddy. So how do stars end up finding their celestial soulmates? It's like a cosmic version of a dating app, but instead of swiping right, they use gravity. When giant clouds of gas and dust start to collapse, they often break into multiple chunks. These chunks become star nurseries, where baby stars form super close to each other. Gravity plays matchmaker, pulling the closest stars into relationships that can last billions of years. Sometimes it's love at first sight. Two stars form and immediately start orbiting each other. Other times it's more like speed dating, with stars zooming past each other until gravity finally makes them stick together. Let's zoom in on these cosmic power couples. Binary stars are like dance partners doing an endless space waltz. Some stars spin so close they're literally stealing each other's gas. Talk about a toxic relationship. Others keep their distance, more like long-distance lovers. My favorite are the contact binaries, stars that get so cozy they actually share their outer layers. Imagine sharing your jacket with someone, except the jacket is made of super hot plasma. These stellar pairs don't just look cool, they're crucial for helping us measure distances in space and understanding how stars live, grow old, and sometimes go out with a spectacular bang. You think two stars are wild? Let's talk about stellar threesomes. Triple star systems are like watching a cosmic ballet choreographed by a caffeinated toddler. Imagine three massive balls of fire playing an endless game of cosmic tag, but with mind-bending physics calling the shots. The most common setup is what astronomers call a hierarchical system. It's like having a regular binary star with a third wheel hanging around the edges. Take Alpha Centauri, our closest stellar neighbor. It's got two stars doing a close dance, while their buddy Proxima Centauri circles them from way out in the cheap seats. These systems can get super weird, with orbits that look like spirograph drawings gone wrong. Let's peek inside a stellar daycare center. Star nurseries are basically the coolest kindergartens in space. Massive clouds of gas and dust where baby stars pop into existence. These cosmic cribs, also called nebulae, are absolutely massive. We're talking about clouds that could fit millions of our solar systems inside. The gas is so thick in these regions that when stars start forming, they often end up right next to each other, like kids crowding around the same toy box. It's in these cosmic playgrounds that stars first learn to play nice with others, forming the bonds that'll last billions of years. The whole process is like watching a giant game of cosmic dodgeball, with chunks of gas bouncing around until they clump together into glowing balls of fire. Ready for some seriously messy cosmic dining? When stars get super close, they don't just hang out, they start sharing their lunch. Imagine a giant star puffing up like a cosmic marshmallow in a microwave. It gets so big that its outer layers start spilling onto its smaller companion. This stellar food fight can get pretty wild. The smaller star gobbles up the gas like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, growing bigger and hotter while its partner slowly loses weight. Sometimes this cosmic buffet gets so intense that one star completely strips the other down to its core. It's like watching the messiest eating contest in the universe, but instead of hot dogs, they're sharing superheated plasma at millions of degrees. Sometimes even star relationships hit rocky ground. When binary stars break up, it's way more dramatic than your average cosmic divorce. Usually it takes something massive to tear these stellar couples apart, like a supernova explosion that sends one partner flying through space like a cosmic cannonball. Or imagine a rude neighbor, usually a massive black hole, crashing their party and stealing one of the stars. These breakups can create what astronomers call runaway stars, zooming through the galaxy at ridiculous speeds, leaving their ex-partner in the cosmic dust. It's like the universe's version of a bad breakup playlist, but instead of sad songs, you get stellar explosions and gravitational chaos. Here's a cosmic mystery that hits close to home: our sun's missing family. Yeah, our star is basically that sibling who moved out and lost touch with everyone. Scientists are pretty sure the sun was born in a massive star cluster with thousands of stellar siblings about 4.6 billion years ago. But where are they now? They're scattered across the Milky Way like a giant cosmic game of hide and seek. The gravitational forces of our galaxy slowly pulled this family apart, sending stars wandering in different directions. Some of our sun's brothers and sisters might be hundreds or even thousands of light years away by now, living their own lives with their own planetary families. Let's check out the most epic friend groups in the universe: star clusters. These cosmic cliques come in two flavors: open clusters, which are like casual friend groups where stars can come and go, and globular clusters, the tight-knit gangs that have stuck together since the early universe. In open clusters like the Pleiades, you might find a few hundred to a few thousand stars hanging out, all roughly the same age. They're like the cool kids who formed from the same cosmic cloud. Globular clusters, though, they're the ancient exclusive clubs of space packed with up to 1 million stars. These dense spherical groups orbit our galaxy's center like old-school gangs that have seen it all. The party's nowhere near over, space fans. Right now, massive clouds of gas and dust are floating around our galaxy, ready to collapse into the next generation of stellar friendships. The Milky Way still has enough cosmic party supplies to keep making new stars for billions of years. But here's the twist: future stars might be a bit different from today's crowd. As the universe gets older, each new generation of stars has more heavy elements to work with, like cosmic hand-me-downs from their older siblings. This means future stellar BFFs will be more like sophisticated dinner party hosts than the rowdy cosmic ravers we see today. They'll form slower, shine a bit cooler, and probably host more complex planetary systems. Thanks for joining our cosmic party. If you enjoyed this stellar adventure, smash that like button and subscribe for more space shenanigans. Share with your friends, because like stars, videos are better in pairs. See you in the next cosmic episode.